Good morning, students. Welcome back to our science class. Children, in the previous class we learned about formation of soil. Today we are going to learn about layers of soil. Look at this picture carefully, children. Humus, clay, sand and gravel. Here at the bottom is a layer of stones called gravel. Above the gravel is a layer of sand. This contains large particles of soil. Above the sand is a layer of fine particles of soil called clay. The top layer is humus, that is dead plants and insects. In this, plants grow very well. Types of soil. Here, three types of soil is there: sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil has a large grains of rocks and there is a lot of space between them. The soil can hold water. Only few plants grow in this soil. Which plants, children? Yeah, the plants which need less water for growth, no? Only those plants will grow. Example, cactus. Cactus plant needs less water. Means desert plants will grow in the sandy soil. Clayey soil. It is made up of very small particles with hardly any space between them. There is no space between the particles of the clayey soil. It can hold a lot of water. This soil is also not suitable for growing plants. Potters use this soil to make different types of pots like diyas and statues. This soil is very smooth to touch. Rice plants grow very well in this soil. Next, loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay. It is a mixture of sand and clay. It contains a lot of humus. Loamy soil can hold water and air in moderate quantity. Plants need both air and water. So children, plants grow very well in this soil. Which soil is good for the growth of the plants? Loamy soil is good for the growth of the plants. Soil is important. Why soil is important to us? See, plants grow in the soil. So we all are depending on the plants. We all are means who? Human beings, animals, birds, insects. We all are depending on the plants for our food. At the same way, soil is home for many animals like the earthworms, rabbits, moles, ants and bugs, snails. Like these animals, snakes, these animals live in the soil. Earthworms fertile the soil. So earthworm is called farmer's friend. Take care of soil. We have to take care of soil. If soil is not there, plants cannot grow. If plants are not there, we won't get any food. So we have to take care of soil. Soil erosion. What is soil erosion, children? The top layer of the soil contains food and moisture for plants. Sometimes this soil is carried away by rainwater and strong winds. When that soil is carried away by rainwater and the strong winds, what will happen? The soil erosion. This process is called soil erosion. Soil conservation. Preventing soil erosion and looking after the soil is called soil conservation. Soil formation is very slow process, children. We learned how soil will form. We learned in previous lesson, no? So it is a very slow process. Soil formation is a very slow process, whereas soil erosion happens easily. We should protect and look after the soil as it is a very valuable resources. So we have to grow the plants to protect soil. So to prevent soil erosion, what we have to do? We have to grow more plants and forests. Here let us revise, children. Soil is formed by weathering of rocks. The decayed parts of dead plants and animals in soil forms humus. Soil contains air and moisture. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay. It is best for growing plants. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.